everyone, welcome to my channel here at Home Inspired Decor by Janice. I hope you are all doing well and having a fabulous day. Today I will be sharing with you two separate dining table ideas, so be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss anything. If you like the video, be sure to click on that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you all be a part of my YouTube family. Thank you. Now let's get started with the video. The dining room. The dining room is one of the first rooms you see the moment you walk through my front door, so it definitely had to have that wow factor. Of course, it's not just about the decor. I wanted a space that my friends and guests could feel comfortable, relax, maybe have a glass of wine with one of my delicious meals. For the centerpiece, I chose this tall mirror-like vase and I added these beautiful white orchids. I love orchids. I love orchids because they are not only beautiful, but classy. Right above the centerpiece is the chandelier. The chandelier looked beautiful on its own, but I thought it needed some more sparkle. So I added these cascading crystals and I absolutely love the way it looks. It's simply beautiful. Just what I needed to add a bit more drama to the space. For the color scheme, I wanted to add a pop of color, so I chose aqua blue. Aqua blue is one of my favorite colors because it is soft and soothing. Paired with the white, it looks absolutely fabulous. And with my gold tableware, it blends together perfectly. I purchased two of these gorgeous candle holders from HomeGoods. What I love about these candle holders is the bling along the top and the bling on the bottom. Now I love attention to detail. So I did a special fold for each one of the napkins and I placed one at each table setting. It's a great finishing touch. I love the way it looks and I think the overall effect is absolutely stunning. I purchased this wine cart and this gorgeous crystal covered ice bucket from HomeGoods. The ice bucket was definitely a must-have. What I love about the ice bucket are the crystals and the sparkle. Come on in, get closer. Closer. Isn't it gorgeous? Now I love serving my guests in style, so I use this ice bucket to chill their favorite wine, champagne, or a refreshing bottled water. These tall fluted-like glasses are beautiful. I love the bling, but these are for decor purposes only. I do have some other glasses that are just as beautiful that I use for my guests. Do you guys know anyone who has some decor only items in their home? I'm sure I'm not the only one. I remember when I was a young girl, my aunt had some really pretty crystal items that no one was allowed to touch. We could look and admire, but not touch. I messed around and broke one. Boy, did I get in trouble. Well, I'll have to tell you about that in another video. Now let's move on to these beautiful wall art pictures, which I purchased from Kirkland's back when they had that spin to win, which they no longer have. These pictures are my favorites, and I placed them on each side of the armoire. I love the color, and it ties in perfectly with my color scheme. The armoire is where I display some of my smaller glass items. I also use it to store some of my extra tableware. For the niche area, I'm in the process of trying to find something to put over here. Now, just like everything else, I want that wow factor, especially since this wall is also visible as soon as you walk through my front door. One option I thought about is placing a full-length mirror over here, because the mirror will reflect the light and make the room appear more spacious. Now there are two items that I absolutely love: mirrors and chandeliers. And when it comes to decorating a bare wall, mirrors are my go-to item. Now over here on this side of the room, I am considering placing an ottoman or upholstered chairs on each side of the armoire. And of course, the wine cart will have to be moved to another area of the room. Okay, that's all guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. It's my first video and I've spent a lot of time trying to get it right. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I would love your support. And remember, it's been said, too much of anything is not good. But let me tell you, I've never had too much happy. So be happy, be inspired, and have an awesome day.